What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the features that the Tesla Model 3 has. Reason why I'm doing this video is I know I have a lot of family and friends that wanted to know what the Tesla is like, what kind of features it has. So this is going to be a little overview on what it is, what it has. So you got the first one. As you can see, like there's really nothing over here. You got the middle one. So then you got your calendar where you could link it to your phone. It has all your appointments and everything you have for that day come up. You got the camera, pretty, it's like HD. You got the charging, supercharging, $9. That's how much I spent to fully charge my car the other day. What else? You got the web. You can look up anything on the web while your car is charging. You got the entertainment. Usually I would watch Netflix or Hulu, but yeah. And you also have the toy box, which I've never personally used until about a couple minutes ago, and it was pretty cool, I thought. Like, so that's your car, and you can always switch back to boom, and then it lets you know where all the superchargers are at in the map. It's pretty dope because it could also navigate. Let's say if I wanted to go to Arizona, or let's say Georgia, it can it can model out like the whole trip for you, which I think is pretty cool. Oh, why is it taking so long? But besides that, while that waits, so then here you could connect to Wi-Fi because you do need Wi-Fi to do a software update on your car, which I don't know, it varies. It come out monthly or whatnot, depending. What else? Oh, so here they'll set you the trip of all the superchargers across to Georgia and how long it will take at the end. So 32 hours. So that's a cool feature that it has, being able to map it out. And then this is for your AC. You could direct the traffic flow. So I think it's pretty cool. What else? Music, being able to really play anything. You're streaming, karaoke, Spotify. Yeah, what else? But yeah, those are some of the features that the Tesla Model 3 has. Um, for any questions, please feel free to comment. Feel free to like and subscribe. And thank you.